Okay, let's make some Cornish pasties from scratch. I'm going to mix everything in a bag, just to make it easier. Half a bag of plain flour. Half a cup of corn flour. Half a teaspoon of salt. 60 grams of lard. 60 grams of unsalted butter. Cube that up. So we're going to rub this through our mix. That soft lard has consistency that feels just like frosting off a cake. So just keep working it through until we get a breadcrumbing effect. Let's add another 60 grams of both the butter and the lard. So just keep working it through until we get a breadcrumbing effect. Now it's at the right level when you can run the crumbs through your fingers and it doesn't stick to you like glue. We want to add some water, close to a cup of water. Always add more. It's hard to take out if you put too much in. So let's put half of that volume in first. Work that water through. Keep working it and mixing it until it forms a dough. It's still a bit powdery. I'll add a little bit more water. Okay, that hasn't taken too long. Come together as a nice doughy dough now. There's no crumbly powder left anywhere in the bag. It's not sticking to the bag like glue. Get it out of the bag. As you can see, it's coming away even from the corners. It's not even sticking to the corners. Look at that. That's looking good actually. And that's looking rather wonderful. Just fold it together a few times. Okay, so as you can see, it's not sticking to my fingers. It doesn't have a gluey feel at all. Let's put that back in the bag. And I'm going to put that back in the fridge whilst we work on our 36 to 37 degrees today. The water temperature was 28 degrees. Stinking hot. Too hot to have a fire. Chop up these onions. Put them into the bag. Now steps on to vegetables. These are already pretty well chopped up anyway. Beauty of this portable table, which just hooks onto the car wheel, it's got a grill on top, so all your rubbish, crumbs and things can go through to the ground. And the local birds and the ants will clean it all up for you. Now let's throw in some beef. You can use any kind of meat, depends how you want to feel. I've just got some ground beef mince here. You could chop up some beef if you wanted to, but I found travelling is easier. Black pepper. Mixed herbs. smell of garlic, so we'll put in a good sprinkle of garlic into the bag and give it a good mix. Looking quite good actually. You want to roll it out so it's nice corn flour in. How does that look? Yeah. Nice quarter of a finger mix. Between half and a quarter of a finger together off the chunk. Look at that. Oh, good. Perfect. And we need rolling pin. Looking perfect. And that's looking pretty good. Yep. Let's cut it in half. Two. I wish you could actually smell what I can smell. When I open that bag, you just get hit with it. All the seasonings we put in there. Just roll those over and start crimping them together. Traditional shape is like the lettered capital D. Now, these are called Cornish pasties because I'm assuming it was the Cornish miners' families who started cooking them first. A D shape here. Now, does anyone know why the Cornish pasty was created to start with? The Cornish miners, when they go to work, their wives would cook them these. The idea was this little part around the side that are crimping together. Miners working down in the mines would use that as a handle. They'd eat the contents and they'd throw the edging away, because down in the mines, if they were covered in coal, they didn't want to get their food all dirty and they didn't want to eat the coal. They were breathing enough of it as it is whilst they were working. 1, 2 Cornish pasties ready to go in the air fryer. Now let's do a little egg wash over the top. Bagel seasoning on top. A great recipe from Bezo's Mobile Cooking. Can't get any more mobile than that. We're at Lake Epilogue. We've been out of the boat today. Come back to enjoy this for dinner tonight. 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Let's see how they go. We've preheated the cooker. In. Like those. How good they look. It smells beautiful. Let's have a look inside. There's Bezo's Mobile Cooking Cornish pasty. Top it off. Let's give it a shot. A little bit of barbecue sauce. Very hot, but very nice.